Hello, I want to give you a quick overview of the latest version of BIFF for writing traditional text-based adventure games in C#. This is the Bitwise Interactive Fiction Framework, and it lets you create games like this one. I'm just going to quickly go through a short test of this. Instead of entering all the commands one by one, I've just got this automated version of doing a quick walkthrough of the game. And you can see it's entered all these commands automatically. So I just really want to show you the sort of commands you can use with this game. So you start off, you're in a street and it tells you where you are. Now, in this version, I've got interactive characters. So I've got a couple of robots here. So I can address the robot and I give the robot commands. I say, robot, take leaflet. But there's more than one robot here, so I ask me, do I want the small silver robot or the small gold robot? So I say, gold robot, take leaflet, and it does so. I'm quickly going to scroll through some of the other things here. So you can see it's got all the usual stuff: east, go up, go down, look, do various things, the sort of things you'd expect in any text-based exploring adventure game. Now, here's an interesting one. I've got here open chest. Now there's a chest here. Well, I can't open the wooden chest because it's locked. Unlock chest. I don't know how to unlock the chest. Take the key. So I've got the silver key. Unlock chest with key. Still can't do it. Okay, so how do I unlock this chest? That's one of the puzzles. So I carry on exploring the game, and eventually here I find a small brass key. So I've got the small brass key. I go up. And here's one. There's a lever and a slot in the wall, so this sign here says the slot is coin operated. So I put my silver coin into the slot, pull the lever, and then the sign changes, and out eventually, where is it, comes a lovely glittering diamond, which I take. I go up a tree, I get an acorn. This is another puzzle. There's a squirrel has something that I want, so I need to tempt the squirrel, so I get the acorn. Now I go into the garden, and here you can see that there's a squirrel suddenly appears, and it seems to be holding a gold key. Now that key I need for another puzzle. So what do I do? So here I drop the acorn, and the squirrel drops the gold key, and I take it. Eventually, a lot more puzzles here, but I'll take you quickly through it. Eventually go back up to the chest. Now I've got the gold key, so I can unlock the chest with the gold key, and I take the pearl. So this is how I would now, look at, this is how I would normally enter, of course, commands. Look at P-E-A-R-L. And, well, there's nothing very much to see in this pearl as it happens, but that's the way that I would enter commands. Look at the bedroom and so on. So this is a simple sample game that I've provided, but all the source code's available for free. If you look here, I've got it in Visual Studio. It's got all these class files. There's loads and loads of different classes. The data for the game, the grammar, so it has to understand English language, grammar lists, and so on. You can download all this. Go to the Bitwise Books website, sign up to my mailing list, and I'll send you a download link. You'll find this as part of the source code archive that goes with my book, the little book of adventure game programming in C#. So you download that. You don't have to buy the book, though obviously the book will explain all the details of adventure game writing. The source code's free, so download it, try it out. Be sure also to read the notes. So I've got some more notes here to explain the changes that I've put into this version of the game. If you're a Java programmer, there is a different version of BIFF, the Bitwise Interactive Fiction Framework for Java. Again, sign up my mailing list. I'll send you the Java downloads where you can get them for free and play around in your own time. I'll have more to say in some future videos about specific elements of this framework to explain how characters are implemented, how the grammar and so on is interpreted. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll receive notifications when I've got a new video. To learn programming in depth, enroll in one of my courses or read one of my books. More information at bitwisebooks.com.